Hello my cuties, how you all doing today? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a beautiful recipe to share with you all. It is called Hoppin John rice recipe with beans. This is American New Year rice recipe. And if you want to know how we made this all together, watch till the end. You will love it. Stay tuned. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this delicious Hoppin John recipe. Yeah, this is American New Year rice recipe. It's on my channel. If you want to look it up, I have over 600 views already on that recipe. So this is how we're going to be starting. So in my pot I have my onion, my garlic, my ginger, blended onion, and all the herbs. So quickly go in with my bay leaf. Trust me, this is a very quick recipe. I'll go in with my rosemary, thyme. Next is my curry powder. This is another kind of curry powder. I love the aroma a lot, and that's why I've gone in with it. Going with my black pepper, my garlic powder, my paprika, just a little bit of all of these things. Guys, I'm going to saute my vegetables in this pan. My turkey oil, the oil that came out from my turkey, so I'm going to be using it so I can get that turkey taste. I'm going to add some of this from this pot to here. Yeah, I don't want too much seasoning in my food, like I tell you guys. So some here. So yeah. So guys, next is my turkey broth. Yeah, this rice is always made with turkey. So I don't have turkey, but I have turkey broth. I've added turkey broth so it can give me that delicious taste of turkey. The Americans use turkey, smoked turkey, for this recipe. Trust me, even with your chicken you can still get this done. I'm going to add some water. Today we are using basmati rice, guys, and I've gone ahead to wash, parboil, like the Nigerians will parboil their rice. I washed it thoroughly after parboiling to get starch out of this rice, because you don't want to eat too much starch. So I'm adding the rice. So at this point you can adjust your taste. Remember, you have some good taste from that turkey broth, so you just want to taste again and see if you need to add or not. So I'm going to taste and see if I have to add any seasoning to my rice. Trust me guys, this rice is always so delicious. It tastes good, but I need to add some salt. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt, add some Maggi, give it a stir again. So we'll close it up and allow the rice to cook. We'll come back to check this rice in the next 15 minutes. I'm going to add my vegetables. Just want to toast them before I add them to the rice. I'm doing this because I didn't do a frying method to this very rice. The other one on my channel, I did a frying method. So because I didn't do a frying method, I have to fry my vegetable, like steam my vegetable, or toast. You can say toast my vegetable for a little bit. So guys, 10 minutes later, let's check our rice. Our rice is coming nicely. Okay. Oh wow, wow, this is good. This is so good, guys. It smells so good. I love the way I went about it today. It smells so delicious. So tastes so good. Here is the chief of the occasion. This is the beans we are using for this rice. So it's time to go in. So can you see at this point you can now add your beans, so it will all cook together with the rice. Add your beans as much as you care. Okay, yeah, in this house we like to eat beans because it's very good for the body. So add these beans as much as you care. Guys, this rice is looking so good. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I love that the beans is enough. Try this recipe, guys. You will love it. Americans did one good thing by showing me this rice recipe for real. Like, guys, you can't beat the taste. It's so delicious with all of those herbs in it. It is so good. It is so good. Wow, it's a very good rice recipe. Try this, you will love it. Just simple ingredients and it tastes so good. If you're looking for rice recipe, please do this. You will love it. Your family will really enjoy it. Close it up, guys, and allow it to marry each other. Yes. So I'm going to add my butter. Close it up with parchment paper. The Americans always cook this food every January. Yeah, this is their food for every first of the year. So I decided to show you this recipe today. So here's my chicken. It's been marinating. I just added some of my marinade, and we're going to set it in the oven. You can use turkey. That is what they use for this recipe, but I'm using chicken breast today. I have Hoppin John recipe that I used turkey, so I'm going to set this in the oven and let it grill. You can use chicken breast if that is what you have. Like today I want to make this recipe and I search my freezer. What I have is chicken breast, so I'm going ahead to use chicken breast. You can go ahead to use any kind of protein of your choice, but they use turkey, smoked turkey, for this recipe. So today we are using chicken breast. I'm going to smoke it, so I'll throw it in the oven. So I'll let this grill for like 15 minutes and then I'll turn it to the other side. Guys, look at that. Wow, 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 wow. This is so delicious. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that Hoppin John rice recipe. Very delicious, guys. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I went about it this way because that is how I just want to do it. Guys, that turkey broth gave it a beautiful taste. You can go ahead and use turkey if you have turkey. Like I said, I had to use my chicken breast. That is what I have today, and it came out so good. Look at that rice. Look at how delicious. Came out so good. Man, it came out so delicious. There are several ways you can go about your food and it will still give you the best taste. This method is so beautiful. Yeah guys, this is it, our New Year rice recipe, American New Year rice recipe. Please, if you have watched till this time, you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor by subscribing. Try this recipe, you will love it. Look at how delicious this rice is looking. Hoppin John rice recipe, the American New Year rice recipe. From me to you. Enjoy, enjoy. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. I hope you give it a try. I'm sure you will love, 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 love it.